Ever wondered how AI chatbots learn to avoid being rude, wrong, or just plain weird? It's not magic, it's something called preference alignment. But here's the catch. Training AI to behave nicely is super tricky, especially when you don't have a lot of examples to work with. Today, we're diving into a new technique that's changing the game, weak-to-strong decoding. Let's start with the problem. Large language models, LLMs, are amazing at generating text, but they don't automatically know what humans consider good responses. Think of it like teaching a kid to cook. Without recipes, they might end up burning the meal. Traditional methods force the model to learn from scratch, but this often makes it worse at other tasks, like math or coding. Researchers call this the alignment tax, a performance hit when you try to make AI behave. But what if we could give the model a head start? That's where weak-to-strong decoding, WSD, comes in. Here's the clever idea. Use a small, specialized AI to draft the beginning of a response, then let a bigger, more powerful AI take over. It's like having a chef write the recipe first, then letting a sous chef handle the rest. The small model focuses on getting the tone and values right, while the big one handles the details. How does it work? Let's break it down. First, the small model, called the draft model, generates a few tokens, like the first sentence of a response. It's trained on a dataset called GenerAlign, which focuses on human values like kindness and honesty. Then a confidence check happens. If the big model, the base model, is sure the draft is on track, it takes over. This auto-switch mechanism ensures the response stays aligned without slowing things down. The results? WSD outperforms other methods while keeping the big model's performance on tasks like math and coding. No more alignment tax, the key insight. Starting strong makes the whole process easier. As the old saying goes, well begun is half done. By getting the first few tokens right, the model avoids the chaos of guessing later. But why does this matter? Imagine an AI assistant that's not just smart, but thoughtful. WSD makes it possible to train ethical, helpful AI without sacrificing speed or accuracy. And since the small model is cheaper to train, it's a game changer for low-resource settings. So next time you chat with an AI, remember, it's not just about raw power. It's about smart teamwork. And with techniques like WSD, the future of AI is looking a lot more human. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI learns too, imagine taking a bite of a juicy peach. 55 to 60% of the time, that fruit probably started in California's golden orchards. But why is the Golden State the ultimate peach powerhouse? Let's peel back the layers. California's secret sauce. A perfect mix of sun-drenched days, nutrient-rich soil, and cutting-edge farming tech. Think of it like a three-part harmony. The climate ripens those peaches just right, the soil gives them a nutritional boost, and modern techniques, like precision irrigation or disease monitoring, keep yields high. It's not just luck, it's science in action. And here's the twist. This isn't just about fruit, it's a window into how data shapes our world. Those stats about peaches, they're part of a bigger story. Researchers use numbers like these to track food supply chains, predict how climate change might affect crops, or even design smarter farming tools. It's like solving a puzzle where every piece connects to the next. Speaking of puzzles, ever heard of TruthfulQA? It's a test designed to see if AI models, like the super-powerful Llama 370B, can handle real-world questions with honesty. Think of it as a quiz for machines. Can you tell me the truth about peaches, or do you just spit out what you've been trained to say? So what's the link? Well, the same data that tells us California grows most of our peaches also helps train AI to understand complex topics. Whether it's agriculture, climate science, or even your favorite snack, numbers are the bridge between the natural world and the digital one. And that's where the magic happens. Next time you enjoy a peach, remember, it's not just a fruit. It's a story of science, stats, and the surprising ways they shape our lives. What other everyday wonders have a hidden layer of discovery? Let me know below, because curiosity is the real harvest.